Hello, this is Gerd Olsen from Godtvollen Soap. I will now cut up my Sunny Herb garden soap I did late yesterday. And you can see on the edges I unmolded it a little too early, so I got some marks here, but hey, that will I clean up. And I got a air pocket there, there and there on the outside. I hope I don't get it inside it, but that will time show. And I will just move this over here like so. And now we start the cut. And I will take one end piece off first, like I always do. And here you can see how the end was inside and the back side. And always remember to clean my wire. Like here, it's quite hard already. Got some air pocket inside there, I can see. But for me, that is a proof that my soap is handmade. Like you see, I'm quite happy with this soap too. And after I have cut it up, maybe I will put you on hold and take a pH test and lather test on it. So you can see how that works too. I think I'm quite happy with the result. It's a air pocket till there, you can see, but not so much inside it like I thought yesterday it could be. So I'm happy with how this turned out. Quite happy with my soap here. Like you see, it's maybe some cleaning up, not much. I got an air pocket here too. But I think it became quite nice regardless of how the consistency of my soap patch was before I added my color. So I'm quite happy with it. not that big of a problem. You can't be sorry for some small air pockets. Like you see, it's just some, but not many. It could be worse. And this will be my last cut. Before I take you to my sink on my bathroom to test the leather and the PO. I got the air pocket there too. And my end piece. I will just take off some to test the leather and the PO of this, like so. And that piece I will take with me to the bathroom and try it. And I will put you on hold and put the cam up and get some PH strips to take the test with. So I'll be back soon. And now I'm back again. I'm sorry if the sound is a little low right now, but I will try my best. So here we will start. Just some water on my hands first. And like you see, this is the leather already, and the soap is not 24 hours old yet. I'm quite happy with my leather, but you can, so I will put that there and take my PH strips, and I will just take off my soap off my hands, and I will show you how the PH is. And I think the soap is quite good in the PH. Like you see, it's between 8 and 9. So I'm quite happy with my soap. And it's only, it's under 24 hours since I made it, so yeah, I'm quite happy. And that is all I have for now. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.